Another nice thing about Ritu Da is that whoever's worked with him, whichever actors worked with him, he's kind of portrayed them in a totally different light, you know, and that is something I really wanted to experience. Considering, I mean, you know, I was getting typecast and I was also kind of groping around to figure out what is it that
you learn a lot from him and from Mr.
A lot. And that's the nicest part, you know, that you see me, there's a very different Arjun in there, there's a very different Mr. Bachchan in there, who's so experienced and has done almost everything. And there is a very, very different Preeti in there, you know. So there is a lot of newness to the film again, which is really exciting.
It's quite good timing as well to have this blockbuster hit and then to have a very, you know, acting niche offbeat film there as well.
Well, I had a very acting role in Rock On as well. And
I'm so sorry. Sorry about that.
But no, you're absolutely right. I think it's nice because it sends the correct messages across.
Rituparna Ghosh said that after seeing your photographs that you have a great eye and that you one day would make a better director than an actor. Are you going to direct?
No, I mean, I've seen the role of a director. I play a director in this film as well. It's too difficult. You know, right now I'm really enjoying myself as an actor. Okay, I'll produce a few films for sure because I would want to encourage that, and if I get the opportunities to do it, then I must.
If there was no Meher Jessia in Arjun Rampal's life, how different would he be?
Yeah, I think Meher has been a huge support in my life and very, very... I think, grounding person in my life.
That's all you're going to say about
I don't talk about my personal life, but because I'm on the couch with you, I said 2 lines.
That in a promiscuous industry like we live in, what is the secret of your happy together, you know, magical marriage?
Meher, I think, is a very confident and a very beautiful and secure person in her, and that's just the way she is. And so I don't think she feels insecure, and touch wood, hopefully she'll never feel insecure.
And you knew instantly she was the one?
Kind of.
You've also said you would like to at some point date a type like Scarlett Johansson.
Yeah, now, I still would.
And Meher is completely secure about this. But Scarlett Johansson...
She'll understand.
I love Meher. Scarlett Johansson and Meher are very different types. So what is really your type?
Variety.
So girls are in with a chance, right?
No,
all you people listening.
I don't think they're types. I think...
all this female adulation that you've had pretty much from the beginning of your career, how have you processed it? Because
of all those lovely screaming fans out there, who majority of them are women, I can buy a house, a car, and travel and go on holidays. So thank you very much, and keep screaming louder and louder. And but no, I don't know. I mean, it's just been wonderful.
Do you like the good things in life like that, like cars and
yes, of course. I think it's important. Nobody should not like the good things in life. Everybody deserves it. Everybody should dream of getting it. And whatever you dream for, you should never ever think that, oh, I'm being greedy or I'm being selfish or whatever. You deserve it. Every person deserves the best in the world. I think every individual deserves that.
Has any director or producer ever made a pass at you and dangled a carrot that you almost got tempted with?
Judd, look at me. You think anybody has the guts to do that to me?
I don't know.
I mean, I would really beat up that person first, okay, because I hate it when people misuse power, and I stand for things which are right and correct.
You have 2 beautiful daughters whose tattoos you've got written on your Myra and
Marika and Myra.
I suppose one of them decided, or both of them decided they don't want to study and they want to act. How would you react?
I think everybody should be allowed to do what they want to do. Each individual is different. You know, each individual is got their own life, and that's the way it should be.